guys, so got to be up early tomorrow, about 6 a.m., 5:30 or 6, because we're doing irrigation. Summertime it's every 2 weeks, and the wintertime it's like once a month. So I believe it switches over sometime in October. Pretty easy stuff though. You just raise the valves, put the gate in, raise the gate on the corner, and then the water flows through.
The next day.
Good morning. It's a little bit before 7 a.m. and we're just out here irrigating. Got to make a Walmart run, got to do a return, and probably pick up some water. Probably get a energy drink or a coffee as well. Irrigation is coming in from front yard, and it's almost halfway through here, the backyard. So it's coming in from over there, and then it'll come all the way. It'll reach probably to this hop seed right here, and then sometimes it'll go beyond, but we don't have anything over there, and that's, you know, just the gate, and then the front over there to those other hop seeds possibly, although last time it stopped like right around here. There's the front. It's coming out of those valves. There's 2 valves. There's one, the other one's over there, and there's where you put the gate in that I was talking about. Got some water, English muffins. What else? We got some cereal, keto crunch, energy drink, hamburger buns, cheese, seasonings. Just waiting at the customer service area. They open at 8. Got one of these. I think I've had this one before. 10 calories, 0 sugar, electrolytes.
One eternity later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright, just sold that toilet. He's loading it up right now. $100. Since yesterday's workout, I've been having more of a craving. Munchies, I guess you could call them, kinda. Probably, I mean, I'm upping my protein intake, which is good. Not so much sugary cravings. I never really have craved sugar. I never really had a lot of sweets. I'll eat them once in a while, but as far as like when you're craving savory foods, such as, you know, lean meats, proteins, there could be a sign of protein deficiency. So, and when you work out more, you're going to need more grams of protein per day. So building blocks for muscle and lots of other things. So I put some WD-40 in this lock, and it turns smooth as butter. Definitely fixed it. Now they say don't use WD-40 on locks because it's not a true lubricant. It's more of an oil and water displacement. However, it's working for now. And I can always buy the regular silicone spray or whatever later on. I just had some WD-40 on hand. And with the tailgate lock, see, that's unlocked and locked.
these two boys are gonna push it from her because, yeah, she's older for a long time. And all that, you know. You feel so light. You're in that swimming sizes and stuff, but, you know, but a sort of endurance.
Let's try a bite.
She designed that pool and everything. She did a lot of it together, very nice and all that. And, you know, it's just.
Well, I had wrapped up the vlog, and I was in the process of editing, and it started downpouring. Don't worry, our internet, as of right now, is still working. But, yeah, finally getting some real rain. Look at this. There's the temperature and the humidity. Heck yeah. It's raining.
Going out pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Those draperies you want to use.
Truck's getting a bath. Wanted to drive the car out into the rain. Lots of rain. Look at this.
Yeah, water.
Did you bring your boat?
Yeah, sure.
It's good.
Do you want to do that?
Alright, what's up guys? So just was doing some work here on the laptop, got a few things done and accomplished today, and like I say, that's what it's about. Just doing a little bit each day and adding up those consistent compounding wins. So again, it's going to be a good rest of the year and year in review when I do my 2023 recap at the end of the year here. So we got 3.5 months to really, you know, stay focused, hone in, and just get it done, right? So that being said, thank you guys for watching. I'll have more content coming your guys' way. If you can support the channel in any way, whether that's through donating on Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, every dollar is reinvested back into the channel, or just liking and sharing and commenting. And the way it's reinvested is, you know, if I'm doing camping videos, camping content, travel, stuff like that, that's going towards, you know, either fuel costs, food on the road, any camping gear, truck camper upgrades that I may be doing in the near future. So that being said, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. Stay tuned and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep on trucking.